Always dark. Yo, YouTube, what's good? Second video. Oh yeah, came to the light. It's bad light now here. This is a GoPro one. I'm gonna slap the GoPro on my head and go ride. Let's do it. Do all the YouTube stuff. I'm gonna see y'all outside. I literally scratched myself trying to put my battery in. Alright, let's go ride, chat. Cause I'm a rich guy. Like a G.
She has a big sunset. The next day.
Chat. Sean gave me a start. Let's see what's to the start. The fucking powerful. Yo! That foot brake work?
Yeah. I don't like it.
I've never used a foot brake in my life, so I don't know how it works. Yo, does the bike lean? It leans. Does it lean? What? Does it lean?
Yeah.
This bike is insane, bro. Yo, bro, this bike is crazy.
Huh?
Bro, the fact that it leans is so off-putting.
Yeah.
Because it's not about the bike.
Never. It's never about the bike.
Look at him.
It's the rider, bro. Dead ass, bro. That's cool.
I just don't like the fact that it leans.
Yeah, it's just a tire.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's the rear one. Like, he's trying to get a skinnier one.
The rear tire is low-key good because it keeps you up better actually.
Nah, bro. That's what makes it lean.
Yeah, because the bike leans, like I'm fighting the bike.
Yeah, bro. It has so much room to lean on. Like, you can lean on any big ass side of that tire. But the skinnier, bro.
Not too skinny though, because it looks nice like that.
Yeah. Not skinny, but like, you know, like skinnier than that.
Hey chat, I'm editing the video and yes, finished. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That was my first ever time on a stock, so like that's why I'm not fully comfortable. And you can, like, the bike leans to the, I don't know, it leans to one side. I don't know what side it leans to, but that bike is insane. And also my bike is currently broken, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. That was basically my last ride on my Light B X, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just problems upon problems with that bike. If anybody wants to buy it, let me know. If anybody wants to swap it, let me know. It's like a wiring issue in the motor, so the bike just, I wheelie I'll wheelie for 20 seconds and the bike will just cut out. So yeah, I don't know. That bike was definitely not a good decision. That bike, like I should have got Ultra B, or I should have bought. I just should not have bought that specific bike. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I hope you guys are liking the frequent uploads. So yeah, let's do it. Do all the YouTube stuff, and I'm out. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's do it.